Should you trust your money with a company based on internet gossip? That's what we're digging into today. Wealthsimple is one of the biggest names in Canadian fintech, offering everything from self-directed trading to automated investing. But beyond the slick apps and marketing, what are real users saying? We scoured Reddit and financial forums to bring you the unfiltered pros and cons of using Wealthsimple. The good, what users rave about. Let's start with the overwhelming positives that keep popping up. First, there's the user experience. Reddit threads consistently praise the simplicity and cleanliness of the Wealthsimple app. It's easy to navigate, making it perfect for beginners or those who want to set it and forget it. Many compare it favorably to the clunky apps from the big traditional banks. Second, the fees and products are a huge draw. Commission-free trading, this is the game changer. The ability to buy and sell Canadian and US-listed stocks and ETFs with no commission fee is the single biggest reason people switch. The cash account, users love the high interest rates and the features, especially the ability to earn higher interest with direct payroll deposits and the convenience of the associated prepaid card. Benefits tiers, once you hit the $100,000 premium or $500,000 generation tiers, the benefits like lower management fees, higher interest, and portfolio advice are considered excellent value. In short, for Canadian investors looking for a simple, low-cost platform for basic investing and banking, the community consensus is overwhelmingly positive. The bad, the common complaints. Now for the reality check. No financial platform is perfect, and we found a few recurring pain points. The most common and passionate complaint is about customer service. Users report long wait times, being bounced around by different agents, and a heavy reliance on the initial chatbot, especially for core members who don't have priority support. If you have a complex issue, like a difficult bank transfer or a locked account, forum users describe the process as frustratingly slow, sometimes taking weeks to resolve through email. Several users explicitly state that customer service vastly improves once they reach a premium status. Next, a common friction point is around USD accounts and currency conversion. For those doing frequent trading of US stocks, the $10 account monthly fee is seen as a major drawback compared to competitors. If you don't pay the fee, you're hit with a currency exchange fee of up to 1.5% on every trade, which quickly eats into your profits. Experienced traders on Reddit often recommend using a different broker for serious USD investing. Finally, advanced traders find the trading tools to be too basic. They complain about the lack of advanced charting, limited research tools, and the inability to access more complex investment options like mutual funds and certain types of options. If you're an active trader who needs detailed technical analysis, Wealthsimple might feel limiting. The verdict: who is Wealthsimple for? So, what's the takeaway from the forums? Wealthsimple is excellent for the new or casual investor who wants a beautifully designed, low-fee platform for long-term investing in Canadian stocks and ETFs. Their cash account is a popular tool for everyday banking and savings. However, if you are a high-volume day trader, frequently deal with USD currency, or expect immediate access to dedicated, human customer support for complex issues, you may run into frustration. The general advice from the community is this: start